Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video, I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you which fuses to check in case your wipers are not working. This video will apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. There is two fuses to check and both will be located in a so-called hidden fuse box which is under the main fuse box. And the main fuse box is right here on the driver's side. Now what you have to do, you have to unclip the main fuse box, lift it up, flip it over and then remove the bottom cover and you will get access to the fuses. So I will turn the flash on my phone so you can see it better. Now first thing you have to do, there's like a small clip right here, you see? You have to unclip this one and you will have the same kind of a clip just under these connectors so you can reach it from this side. I won't be able to record it I think, but it's not too hard to do. So just want to kind of unclip it and then lift the fuse box up. So I did this side, now I will try to do this one as well. Okay, see, now it's all nice and loose. And the next thing you will do, you will have to kind of lift the fuse box up and push it towards the air box to unclip those bottom there's like a four tabs at the bottom which you have to also pull out. So you want to lift it up and push towards the air box. I'm trying to work with one hand. Hope I'll be able to do it. Okay. This is not the easiest to do. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I'm lift it up and you see there's these four tabs which are inside those holes down there. And you want to flip it over all the way and then you want to remove this back cover. You'll have two black tabs, one here and one on the other side here. Okay, so I want to remove those. Okay, and be careful not to drop this fuse box. And now the two fuses to check are fuse number 75 and fuse number 80, and they're both responsible for wiper motors. So fuse number 75 is here, it's 25 amp fuse, and down there it's fuse number 80, also 75 amp fuse. So those two fuses you want to check. In case these fuses are good, then you want to dig a bit deeper. First you want to make sure that the wiper switch is operational, then you want to check the wipers motor and then the wiring and electrical connections in the end. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.